This video will show you the steps and troubleshootings of calibrating DEM elevation on a Garmin watch. Some Garmin watches have the ability to calibrate the altimeter using digital elevation models. DEM is a map with built-in elevation data. Its calibration result is more accurate than using GPS calibration alone. To calibrate the altimeter using DEM, hold the menu key in the watch face page. Select Settings. Select Sensors and Accessories. Select Altimeter. Or you can also continue pressing the down key in the watch face page to select the altimeter widget. And select Calibrate. Select DEM. Once the GPS locating is done, the altitude is calibrated. There are two situations that you may not calibrate the altimeter by DEM. 1. DEM information is not stored in the watch. 2. The DEM mapping is not available in your current region. Once you try using DEM to calibrate the altimeter, this error message will show. Don't worry, here's the solution. 1. Make sure that your device is paired to the Garmin Connect app on your mobile device. 2. Your mobile device has an internet connection. 3. You are outdoors with a clear view of the sky. In this way, you can still use DEM to calibrate your watch. That's it. Thanks for watching.